and D. Danny Smith and his co-passenger.
Co-pilot,
whatever.
Co-pilot.
All right, so what could you have done better on this hill?
Drove like Timmy Cameron.
Yeah? What could you have done better?
Nothing. I was.
You could have helped me steer.
Yeah, you could have.
You could have helped me steer. He could have helped me steer for sure.
So right now, we have Tim Cameron in the lead with a 22. Who's with the 23?
Ethan Spiegel, I believe.
Yep, Spiegel. And then we have two 24s. Then we got two 27s and then a 28 back here.
Yeah.
Disappointing. You're going to have to do better on the next one.
Yeah.
Tell Cole you love him.
Love you, Cole.
All right,
Miss
bye.
you, buddy.
That's what motor does.
I know.
Yeah, the other one blew off and sealed back up.
Did it really?
Yeah. I said it go and then it quit. It's leaking, but it's not blown. Is that one still on there? Yeah. It's when it landed, it said and it sealed back up.
What'd you say about that, little Dante?
Huh? I got dirt in my